In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cam sensor on this Dodge Dart. Before you start, you are going to need a specific scan tool to do a relearn procedure at the end. Take this cover and just slide it up. You just pull straight up. Take this nut off right here, use a 10mm socket. Slide this cover right off. I'm just going to use a pick and slide that lock tab up and then push down on the tab. Disconnect the connector. Using a 10mm socket, take this stud out. Just grab the sensor, give it a wiggle, and it slides right out. You can put a little silicone lubricant on the O-ring and slide it in place. Give it a wiggle. There we go. Line that up. Take the stud, get that started. Now we'll torque this to 80 inch-pounds. Connect the connector, push down, and push down on the lock. Put the shield over. Put the nut on. Snug that down. And take the cover, line it up, push it down. After you're done, you're going to need a specific scan tool to be able to do a cam crank variation relearn procedure.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.